Welcome to Healthy Care Over 50 on YouTube. As we age, our dietary needs evolve. Today, we're diving into the top 12 foods you should be incorporating into your daily diet if you're over 50. These selections are not just about maintaining health, they're about enhancing your life, boosting your energy, and keeping your mind sharp. From heart-healthy fats to muscle-preserving proteins, join us as we explore how these foods can significantly impact your well-being. Let's embark on this journey to better health together. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt holds significant importance for those over 50, primarily for its nutritional content that supports aging bodies. Rich in calcium and vitamin D, it aids in bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Probiotics in yogurt improve gut health, essential for overall well-being. An optimal daily amount can vary, but incorporating it regularly is beneficial. Maintaining balance involves choosing yogurts low in added sugars and high in live cultures, to maximize health benefits without compromising nutritional value. 2. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are essential, especially for individuals over 50, as they support muscle maintenance and repair without adding excessive fat to the diet. Sources include poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like beans and tofu. Regular intake helps combat muscle loss associated with aging, supporting overall strength and health. Incorporating a variety of these proteins ensures a balanced intake of essential nutrients. 3. Avocados. Now, let's dive into the world of avocados, our number 3 pick. These gems are not just food, they're powerhouses of nutrition, packed with heart-healthy fats, essential vitamins, and minerals. Their unique benefits include lowering cancer and heart disease risks and fighting inflammation, all while gracefully slowing the aging process to keep you feeling vibrant and youthful. Easily blend avocados into your daily meals, toss them into smoothies, sprinkle over salads, or enjoy them as a creamy snack. Just remember, moderation is key due to their richness in calories. Half an avocado daily is ideal for a balanced diet, allowing you to enjoy their nutritional bounty without overindulging. Embrace the avocado's lush, nutrient-rich profile to boost your health and longevity in the most delicious way possible. Diving into our list at number 4, ginger emerges as a culinary powerhouse and health elixir. This zesty spice is a flavor enhancer that brings more than just taste to the table. It's a rich source of antioxidants and flavonoids, safeguarding your body from oxidative stress. Its anti-inflammatory prowess offers relief from joint discomfort, setting the stage for ginger to be a potential player in preventing chronic diseases like cancer and heart ailments. Recommended for those over 50. Up to 4 grams of fresh ginger daily can boost digestion and nutrient absorption. Versatile in use, from soothing teas to vibrant stir-fries and smoothies, ginger is your key to a healthful zest in both meals and life. Next on our list, we have the highly nutritious black beans. These tiny wonders are a health powerhouse, low in fat yet high in fiber, championing a heart-healthy diet. Packed with protein, they're essential for maintaining bodily functions. Easily found in grocery stores, opt for the no-salt added canned black beans to avoid unnecessary sugar or salt. Incorporating black beans into your diet enriches your meals with their health benefits and savory flavor, supporting both heart and brain health in every bite. 6. Chickpea. These legumes pack a nutritional punch with their perfect blend of protein and fiber, fostering healthy digestion and aiding in weight management. Their high protein content is a boon for heart health and muscle maintenance, while magnesium fortifies your bones. An ideal substitute for red meat, chickpeas can transform casseroles, stews, or soups with their rich, satisfying texture and flavor, making every dish a nutrient-rich feast. Moving on to number 7, let's talk about the remarkable broccoli. This versatile veggie is a true champion when it comes to nutrition, packed with essential vitamins and minerals vital for our health. Broccoli stands out for its rich content of vitamins A, C, N, and K, which are essential for maintaining overall well-being. Its high fiber content makes it a great choice for promoting healthy digestion and supporting overall gut health. But what truly makes broccoli shine is its impressive array of antioxidants. These powerful compounds have been associated with a range of health benefits, including lowering cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cancer and diabetes, as well as supporting heart health. Additionally, broccoli aids in the body's detoxification process, helping to eliminate harmful toxins from the liver. By incorporating broccoli into your meals, you can support your body's detoxification pathways and promote cellular health throughout your body. So, make sure to include this incredible vegetable in your diet to enjoy its numerous health advantages. Moving on to number 8, let's delve into the exceptional benefits of wild-caught salmon. This fish is renowned for its rich array of health-boosting nutrients, particularly omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which play pivotal roles in maintaining strong bones, a resilient immune system, and a healthy heart. It's crucial to prioritize wild-caught salmon over its farm-raised counterpart. Farm-raised salmon often contains higher levels of saturated fats, while wild-caught salmon tends to be leaner and more nutritious. To ensure you're maximizing the health benefits, it's advisable to limit your consumption of farm-raised salmon. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food Data Central, experts recommend incorporating 2 servings of fish into your weekly diet to fully reap the advantages. By including wild-caught salmon in your meals, you're providing your body with essential omega-3s and vitamin D, which lay a solid foundation for bone health, a resilient immune system, and optimal cardiovascular well-being. Moving on to number 9, let's talk about cauliflower. If you're over 50 and looking for ways to maintain your health, don't overlook this timeless favorite. Despite its humble appearance, cauliflower is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. Whether it's served as a tasty side dish or takes center stage as the main course, especially when roasted with olive oil and garlic, cauliflower never fails to impress. Beyond its culinary appeal, cauliflower offers excellent nutrition. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it helps promote a youthful and vibrant feeling. You can reap the benefits of this superfood by trying cauliflower rice or roasting some florets as a delicious side dish, either on its own or alongside your favorite entree. Moving on to our 10th contender, let's explore the versatile eggplant. This delightful vegetable offers a myriad of health benefits and serves as an excellent addition to any balanced diet. Eggplant is not only a rich source of fiber but also packed with essential vitamins A and C, crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. Furthermore, it boasts a significant amount of potassium, a mineral renowned for its role in regulating blood pressure and promoting heart health. Additionally, eggplant contains valuable antioxidants linked to potential cancer protection, particularly against prostate cancer. What makes eggplant truly remarkable is its culinary adaptability. You can enjoy this vegetable in various delightful ways. Whether you prefer roasting, baking, or grilling, there are countless methods to savor the deliciousness of eggplant while reaping its remarkable health benefits. Treat yourself to this flavorful vegetable and elevate both your palate and your well-being. Number 11 on our list, beets. These vibrant root vegetables are a powerhouse of health benefits, making them a crucial addition to the diets of individuals over 50. Beets are packed with an impressive array of nutrients that earn them a well-deserved reputation as one of the healthiest foods you can consume. Notably, they contain betalains, antioxidants that not only protect the body's cells from damage but also exhibit cancer-fighting properties. Furthermore, betalains help counteract the harmful effects of free radicals, which often result from consuming unhealthy foods. Rich in potassium and magnesium, beets play a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. Deficiencies in these minerals can lead to various health issues such as irregular heartbeat, high blood pressure, weakened bones and muscles, insomnia, and headaches, among others. Moreover, beets have a soothing effect on the gastrointestinal tract, addressing the primary cause of numerous stomach ailments. By providing vital nutrients to the gut bacteria, beets actively promote a healthy digestive system. By incorporating beets into your diet, you can unlock a plethora of health benefits, ranging from antioxidant protection to gastrointestinal support. Embrace these nutrient-packed root vegetables and let them nourish your body, promoting overall well-being. Number 12. Sweet potatoes, the top spot on our list. These starchy delights are brimming with essential nutrients that can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. One of the most noteworthy qualities of sweet potatoes is their rich vitamin A content, known for promoting healthy eyesight and vibrant skin. Moreover, they serve as an excellent source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient that supports tissue repair processes in the body. But the benefits don't stop there. Sweet potatoes are also packed with fiber, with just a single serving providing approximately 5 grams. Fiber offers a multitude of advantages, including promoting a greater sense of satiety and enhancing digestive health. In conclusion, incorporating these 12 natural foods into your daily diet can significantly benefit your health, especially if you're over 50. By prioritizing nutrient-rich options like sweet potatoes, broccoli, wild-caught salmon, and others mentioned, you're providing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for optimal well-being. Remember, a balanced diet rich in natural foods can be a cornerstone of healthy aging. So, make it a habit to include these wholesome options in your meals every day and reap the rewards of vibrant health and vitality. Stay tuned for more useful health information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the latest videos. Thanks for watching.